Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I got one of my Diamond Art Club kits in. Drinking some iced coffee I made. Yeah, I bought another kit. What else is new at this point? It's just one for today. All my other kits I placed around the same time, so I think they're not coming until the 12th, January 12th and on. But we can at least look at this one. I just got my Dreamer designs in. The videos should be up hopefully by now or soon, the time you see this video. I'm very impressed. A little questionable, some of the stuff that I got, how they do the kits for squares and round. They're very different. The canvases are very different. I don't know, but just watch the video and you'll know what I'm talking about. So here is what we're going to be looking at today. It's called Galaxy by Erica the Goober. I actually like her stuff. I think I have another. I think I just completed one from her. I don't know who. I don't keep tabbies on artists and what belongs to who. If I like an image, I just buy it. I'm not really focused on who the artist is. Now here's the washi tape, flowers, and this is a square, so I did get tweezers. I'm so happy because I like their tweezers. Oh, I finally got these. I keep seeing everybody get this cover reminder and I never get it. I got a bunch of roses. I'm so excited I got this one. And we got some multi-placers. I mean, if you know Diamond Art Club kit, you know, I'm not really going to be showing everything that's in them anymore because I already did that in the first two videos. Soft canvas, like always. I'm so excited. I'm having spaghetti for dinner tonight with garlic bread. In my bakery, we bake the Italian bread, and then any Italian bread that's left over the day before, we turn it into garlic bread for sale. So I made myself some garlic bread to take home today. Okay, folks, here's our girl. A little crooked here. Lots of pink and purples. You already know how I feel about that situation. I'm so excited. This is a square canvas, if I didn't tell you. So from top to bottom, she is a 42 by 53, so not overly large like a lot of the kits I've been buying. And I'm really happy because she's a square. And I'm just going to be getting into squares again. So I really don't want large square canvases, even though if you watch the Dreamer designs before this video, I got two canvases that were squares. One is a 60 by 80, is insanely huge. So that's going to be a task. Let's see. Do we have any ABs? We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 ABs in this kit. No fairy dust or anything else. 35 colors. And here's what she looks like. The big sticker with the start and end date. And here are our labels. Wow, you guys. I don't like taking diamonds out, but for this sake, because I am a pink and purple lover. Some of you guys out there are pink lovers. Some of you guys are purple lovers. And some of you guys love everything. So let's look at these diamonds today. I'm not going to read off the DMC code. I think that's just a little tedious. So I'm just going to scroll through them. We're going to just look at the pretty colors. A lot of pink and purple. I'm in heaven. 939. Hot pink. First AB is a white. They seem to put white ABs in every kit. I don't know why they can't choose other colors. The white ABs are very pretty. I am struggling with their ABs though, so I'm going to try some new stuff. And hopefully I can like them a little bit better. Here, some lavender ABs. It's pink. Peachy pink AB. Like, it looks baby pink on camera. It probably is baby pink. Beautiful colors. I am so excited about this. Okay, we got our diamonds back in. And I put the little sticker on here, so when I'm searching for diamonds, all I gotta do is look for the picture. So that's, I know some of you probably think I'm like wasting a sticker, but you already get the big sticker for your logbook. So I like these to label the diamonds. I think she's stunning, you guys. Oh, you know, I thought about this the other day. Normally in my budget-friendly hauls that I do, you know, Temu, One Day Savings, etc., etc. When I do diamond paintings from them, I usually tell you the prices of kits. So you know, I've always told prices of things on my channel. But I've noticed since I started doing these premium companies, I really haven't been talking about prices. So if you guys are interested in knowing prices while I'm doing the video, let me know. Any future videos I make from here on out, I'll make sure to include the prices if some of you really want to know the price, so you don't have to go looking around for yourself. But yeah, so 35 colors. She looks amazing. Let's see. These ABs, 1, 2, and 3 is AB. The white AB. It's going to be like white AB freckles on her face. It's like glitter makeup. And her long earrings are going to be white ABs. Some of the streaks, these white streaks in her hair, and these little white specks all over the place, these are also white ABs. 2. Oh. It's so hard for me to find things. Some of the peachy pink AB is going to be some strands of hair. And the lavender AB, where is that? I think that's number 1. Okay, so some of the lavender AB is going to be also some strands or streaks or highlight, if you may, in her hair. Really nice. I think they chose, they made a good decision on putting the ABs where they are. I'm really excited to see them on her face. A lot of you don't like ABs on the face. I like them if they're tastefully done. So I don't want the whole face covered in AB, but a little thing like makeup or something, I think that's wonderful. So you guys, that's the only kit I have for today. I'm sorry I don't have a bunch. I've been doing a whole bunch in each video. But this is the only one I got in the mail today. But I wanted to still share her with you guys. I'm really excited. She's super gorgeous. Another square. I'm gonna have a lot of squares to work on, but I've decided that all the squares I have bought, I'm gonna alternate them between round kits. I don't think I could. I don't think I have the sanity to do a back to back squares and squares and squares. I just don't. So I'm probably gonna have to alternate kits. So you guys, don't know when I'm gonna work on her. Somewhere down the line. I have time. So, but I hope you enjoyed seeing this canvas called Galaxy by Erica the Goober from Diamond Art Club. If you're interested, I can try to get a link for you and give it to you in the comments down below. But if you are on Diamond Art Club, all you got to do is type in Galaxy and she should pop up. So if you guys are enjoying my channel, if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for returning and your continued support. And without further ado, my friends, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.